Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to upload and share documents in Hubspot so you can easily provide resources to your team, clients, or leads. To get started, log into Hubspot and navigate to the Sales section, then click on Documents. This is where all your files are stored and managed. If you already have a document, you can select it from your list. If not, click Upload Document. You can upload files from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box. Supported formats include PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, and more. For this example, select a file from Google Drive, then click Select to upload it. Once uploaded, the document will appear in your library. You can manage its privacy and access settings by clicking Actions and then Manage Sharing. From there, choose who can view the document. You can share the document link in emails, chat messages, website pages, or workflows to make it easy for others to access. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.